Ever wondered what it actually takes to get that perfect, sun-drenched flavor into a single bottle of premium orange juice? We're going behind the scenes of one of the most advanced facilities on the planet to see how liquid gold is made. If you love seeing how the world's favorite things are built, hit that subscribe button right now and join our community of factory explorers. All right, step inside with me. Can you smell that? The air in here is incredible. It all starts right here at the intake docks, where thousands of fresh oranges are arriving straight from the groves. It's a literal sea of orange! But before a single drop is squeezed, these beauties go through a rigorous spa day. We're talking high-pressure water jets and vibrating sifts that scrub away every bit of dust and debris. Everything you see here is surgical-grade stainless steel. It's spotless. Now, look at this. This is where the magic happens. These high-speed extractors don't just squash the fruit. They're incredibly precise. They separate the oil from the peel, the pulp from the juice, and the seeds from the soul of the orange in a split second. It's a high-tech dance of pressure and timing. If you think this machinery is absolutely mind-blowing, do me a favor and drop a number 1 in the comments right now. I want to see how many of you are geeking out over this tech as much as I am. Once we have that pure juice, it's all about consistency. We're moving into the blending tanks where the juice is balanced for that perfect zing every single time. No guesswork, just pure science. From there, it's a race against the clock. The juice flies through flash pasteurization to lock in the nutrients, and then straight into the bottling line. Watch those bottles go. It's like a high-speed conveyor belt ballet. They get filled, capped, and nitrogen sealed in the blink of an eye to keep that just-picked freshness. Finally, the robots take over. These massive mechanical arms are palletizing the crates with more precision than a human ever could, getting them ready to hit the trucks and land in your breakfast nook by tomorrow morning. It's a perfect loop of nature, meeting heavy-duty engineering. Thanks for hanging out with me inside the factory today. Don't forget to check out our other How It's Made deep dives on the channel.
The moisture levels are fluctuating slightly. I've adjusted the steam injection. It should stabilize now. now.